Okay, today I'm here to show you how to use the new CSG direct mail application for the iPod, iPhone, or Android phone systems. What we're looking at here is the main menu after you've logged in. You go to live job tracking, and of course you can see any of your jobs live. These are all the jobs currently in the system for this customer. If we look at we'll see a red one. That means that that's a job we're waiting on details or waiting on something for. Click on that and you'll see on that one we're waiting on pieces. It shows you the details of the job, the class of mail, how many pieces, and its estimated drop date. It also shows the details of what we're doing to the job, and as we make notes in the system, those will show up here as well. You can see this one needs database work, inkjet, and delivery to the post office. So you can go back and you can see the details on each job the same way and see what's happening to your job live. So as we go back to the main menu, you'll see U.S. mail tracking. U.S. mail tracking is how we track the pieces after we've dropped them off at the post office. Keeping in mind most of our inventions have been in tracking mail through the mail stream, this is a quick view of the delivery time for your mailing. This particular mailing, for example, dropped on 6/28, and you can see most of the scanning, most of the work from the post office happened from 6/29 through 7/1, although there's a bunch that happened on 7/7. You might find this being locals and non-locals, but you can see the actual days the post office is scanning them, and most delivery happens the day after you see a lot of scans. So most of the delivery happened through here. If we turn it on its side, we can see every individual day and every individual scan from the post office, so you can track delivery times. As we go back to the main menu, we have job history. Any job that's already been mailed, you can put in the date range you're looking for. Waiting for this to come up. I'm not in the best phone system area. Back. Job history. Alright, so we have our recent jobs and job history. Recent jobs are jobs that just got mailed and have not been billed yet. Job history is everything that's been summarized and audited through the billing process. And you can actually see this was passed into billing for closing, shows the actual drop date, and you see all the notes in the system on each individual day when things were completed, so you can look back and see the timelines. After job history, one of my favorite features is customer tracking. In customer tracking, you're able to put in your own customer ID numbers from your own system. We're the only ones in the world that have that connectivity for you. But as I go in, I'll put a sample number in. Let's say 11000. I can even hit a star. And it shows me all the people that have that starting account number. Again, these are from your account numbers. It shows the city, state, and zip of that person. Keeping in mind, we're only really tracking the actual mailing delivery area, not your names and addresses. But I go to this one in Klamath Falls, Oregon, and it shows that they actually received one mailing in the last 90 days. I could probably find someone that's received more. This person's received 2 mailings. Let's see, Kansas City. This person has received 6 mailings. Sorry, 5. So as I hit one of those mailings, we'll pull up the actual tracking from the post office, and this is our tracking of the post office. Takes a second to generate the map. Again, I'm not in a great phone area. Should probably turn on my Wi-Fi. Let's do that again. Let's do another mailing. So the mapping comes up and gives you the feedback from the post office equipment as to where each scan happened. I need to do this from a better phone area for you. You can see it started in Nevada. It started off at CSG Direct, drop date of 5/19. It then went to Las Vegas, which it was in Las Vegas at 5/23, and we can go out to Kansas City, and we can see that that happened on 6/2. So you can see the entire timelines. You can zoom in on these, but it gives you an idea of the actual delivery and the actual route taken by the post office as we provide the feedback from where it was mailed.